Hello, friend. Name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make a speeding shooting game using Scratch. So first, I'll take the Scratch cut. I'll remove one of its points. Pointed. When flag clicked, forever, point towards mouse pointer. Whoops, stop pointing towards mouse pointer properly. No, flip vertical, flip. No, no. Need to angle it at 90 degrees. Now point towards the mouse pointer perfectly. Now, when the mouse's button is clicked, it will create clones of itself. When it starts as a clone, repeat until. That's good. For now, it's just going to be touching the edge. Move one step. And then, after that, delete this clone. I'm going to make the bullets to be smaller. Set size to 50%. Now go change the bullet speed to 10. There needs to be some delay. Let's see, wait 0.1 seconds. Makes everything to be more grainy. Just move this to another one flag clicked. There we go. Now I'll make a giant. I'll make the sprite for the thing that is supposed to be shot at. I'll make it red. When flag clicked, forever, create a clone of myself. And it starts as a clone. Repeat until. I make a new variable called health points. You set the health points to 10. Repeat until health point is less than 0. If then, touching sprite 1. Then, reduce health points. Change health points by -1. And then delete this clone. Wait 1 second. Now just repeat until touching edge or touching the sprite 2, it's the enemy. Whoops. I meant to hide this, and then here it will show. Now on to slowly move towards sprite 1. Move one step, point towards this. I make it smaller. Now, when it starts, go to random position. Fix. Whatever, we're just going to be making them to be coming up from the sky. Go to X, Y, pick random, negative 250 to 250. Uh, 10 is a bit too much. It's to 4. I make a new verb for our sprites called score. If he gets defeated, also change score by 1. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel, Obacode. Bye.